Hello guys, so for today I will make my homemade strawberry jam. So what I did earlier, I cleaned each of these and remove the stalk here. So now what I will do is just just to cut it like little pieces. And then after you cut it like pieces like this, see? So after that we will start putting our sugar and lemon juice. Basically this recipe is just three ingredients, just the sugar, strawberry, and lemon juice specifically. So let's see. Okay, so we're done cutting it in pieces. So the next thing that we can do is to add the sugar. So for 1 pound, usually what was written in the books, just put 2 cups of sugar, but it still depends on what what level of sweetness you want. So for me, I don't like it too sweet because my husband cannot eat too much sweet. So I'll just cut it off with the sugar. So I'll just put 2 cups. So for me, I already put the other cup of sugar, so this is the second cup. So earlier I put 1 cup of sugar, just regular sugar, and then what I add on the second cup is this. I bought this in Costco. It is 0 glycemic, 0 net carbs, 0 calories. So basically it's like a sugar. It's a 1-to-1 sugar replacement, but this one came from a monk fruit, so it's healthier, I can say. It's best for diabetics. So here, after the sugar, we will add like 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So this one, I'll squeeze it and put it in there. So now I'm ready to squeeze my lemons. Yeah, so I will use at least 2 lemons on this. And then we can, open the stove and we can start cooking. Adding the sugar and the lemon juice, and it's, started to boil. You can start trying to knead on this so, the strawberries can go a little bit smaller. And you'll do this until the strawberry gets soft. So this is the product of continuously smashing. So I think this one is just ready, and just wait for it to be cold a little bit before we transfer in some bottles, okay? So I'm gonna turn up now the heat, and we'll just wait until it settles.